form of the stars, the hard, shell-like contours, the sensory protrusions that replace familiar organs, the limbs that bend at impossible angles. These are the shapes beyond human comprehension. Blend violet with the chill of the void, stain with gray-green the mold of alien worlds. These are not colors, but the spores of cosmic travelers, the exoskeleton of star-dwellers. They drift on the canvas as they drift through the stars. All content is purely imaginative and artistic. The final stroke grants it the gaze of the cosmos. Remember, this is not a mere monster, but a fictional, artistic creation, a traveler from the void in dark fantasy, a reminder of humanity's insignificance. The true terror is the endless, cold universe that spawned it. All content is purely imaginative and artistic. The canvas has embraced a visitor from the stars. Will you paint the next cosmic secret?